The Executive MBA at Stockholm School of Economics is a top-ranked Executive MBA in the Nordics. It's a program for business leaders who want to drive successful businesses on an international market and be inspiring leaders.
We are strong on sustainability. So also there we ranked number 9 in the world for ESG content by the Financial Times. Sustainability runs as a red thread throughout the program. And of course, one of the most important things is when you do the program at Stockholm School of Economics, you will, provided that you are successful, of course, you will earn an MBA degree from Stockholm School of Economics, but you will also gain 3 certificates for courses in the program. So one from the Stanford Center for Professional Development, one from the National University of Singapore, and one, if you choose the GNAM electives, from the Global Network for Advanced Management members.
So at Stockholm School of Economics and the Executive MBA program, we use what we call the MBA Live pedagogy, which means that it is a science and research-based degree program at the school, but we do put everything into practice as much as possible. So the students, the participants, they really learn hands-on while using the models and theories that we teach. So part of the examination of the program and the learning process of the program is that you do live projects in real organizations. And these are organizations where the participants are actually employed. The Leadership Live program is also part of the live experience. All managers have similar or the same challenges as being a manager in a big or small organization to lead and develop the organization. So some things are done in full class or half class with the coaches that we have for the Leadership Live program. But then you also have your own individual coach who is coaching you, and you will do a self-assessment on who you are, your strengths, your weaknesses, how you react and act in different situations. So you will become much more aware of yourself, and becoming much more aware of yourself, you also become aware of how you affect others around you in your organization or the context you are in. So you become a much better leader because you're aware of those things.
I love the participants. I love the journey that they're on. I see the development journey that they are on and will be on, and how they then give back to others that are doing the program. And that I think is amazing. I love the learning part.